It is believed that the birthday of blue jeans is May 20th, 1873. Although denim pants had been available as clothing for the last few years, jeans are an absolute classic piece no matter what occasion you are dressing up in. Jeans are a main part of our daily dressing. The average life for a pair of jeans is around 2 to 3 years, but due to various reasons, they can wear and tear very quickly. Here are some answers as to why our jeans wear out so quickly. 1. When you sit, the form of your thighs changes, putting extra pressure on the inseam of your pants. 2. Another common problem is overwashing. Washing your pants too much damages the material. Number 3. And if you're like me and have thick thighs, your jeans surely rub together as you walk. Due to friction between skin and fabric, your jeans will get damaged shortly. Number 4. Get some loose-size jeans, which will make you more comfortable and help you save some money. Number 5. Hot water and bleach can weaken the denim material, so avoid using them. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, comment, and share our videos.